Hey everybody, today we got something special to talk about. We finally got a pickup so we could take our plants and flats and everything to the market. We've been doing it on our Kia Sorento, and what we do is we put this little frame inside the car. We put the seats down, we put the frame, and kind of stack some of those flats on the car. But it's been a little complicated. So what we did is we talked to a farmer, and he had this whole pickup just sitting on the side of the shop that he does a lot of work. So he decided to help us out. And gave us this truck. I'm very fortunate to meet people that are still, willing to help and kind enough to help us out with this. So I'm going to talk about the pickup itself for a little bit. It's got some propane tanks. It runs some propane. I like the idea. It's going to be cleaner than gas or diesel for the environment. So that's actually a good thing. So it's got a flatbed. That engine is gonna go to recycle. We don't need that engine there. So it's actually a dually. We're working on the tires. We had no tires at all, and I'll bring some pictures up. So yeah, it's a flatbed. We got the paperwork and everything on it, and we're working on this wheel. This tire, we gotta get a tire for it. It's got another propane tank on this side. It's a F350 Ford Ranger from 1974. I know it's an old pickup, but once we get through on working on her and bring her back to life, she's gonna be a beauty, and it's gonna help us out. Definitely, it's gonna help us out on everything. So we did a couple of tires on the front, this one the other side, and we're working on the back ones just so we could get it off the trailer. This is what it looks like in front. So the plan is that we're gonna be able to buy or soil and a lot of other stuff in bulk quantities. So with the flatbed on the truck, let me walk over here. With the flatbed, we're gonna be able to either set a couple pallets of soil or potting mix in the back of the bed, and we're gonna be able to get a better deal as you buy in bulk. You get more discount, better deals. So that's the whole intent on the inside. Let me open up the door. On the inside, we still gotta do some work. Well, I'll go the other side. This side, the tree's not close to it. But as we go around, let me go around this way. Like I say, we gotta do quite a bit of work, but I like the idea. It's gonna be a cleaner combustion on the engine with the propane instead of the gasoline or diesel. It is a 1-ton pickup, so we could put plenty of weight in it. Let's see on the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside, and I'm gonna bring an update once we start working on the inside and everything. But as you can see, it does need some work. It's a 1974. Actually, it's in good shape on the inside, better than what I thought it was. So we'll bring you guys an update as soon as we get it off the trailer, put some tires on it, and get it up and running. This is gonna be the biggest help we have from one of our friends and old-time farmers here in the Central Valley in California. Not a lot of people does that, guys, and it's hard to find someone that's willing to help out. So I really appreciate everybody's help and the support, and please like and subscribe to the channel and follow me on this journey. Thank you.